So by now you have thought about how we could come up with one number to represent how many insects are found in areas with water saver plants. In math, there are different ways that we can calculate one number to represent a whole group of numbers. You might have heard of some of them before. We can take the most common number, which we call the mode, or take the number exactly in the middle, which we call the median, or even subtract the smallest number from the biggest number, which gives us the range. Oftentimes in science, we want to calculate the average or mean, which is the value right in the middle of the data set. To find the mean, you add all of the insect numbers for one plant treatment together and divide them by how many numbers there are. So in this case, 4. Then we get one number that tells us in general how high or low the number of insects in that plant type were. We can actually calculate what the mean or average insect abundance in each plot type is to get one number that represents each of our 3 treatments. Let's walk through this with the water saver insect abundance numbers together. So let's try finding the average number of insects collected in our water saver plants. So to make our average, first we're going to add all of the numbers together. So 12 plus 3 plus 6 plus 19. And that equals 40. Now we can divide that number by the total number of insect samples. So that would be 40 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, which equals 10. So now I can say here that on average we found 10 insects from our water saver plants. Now you can go ahead and do the same thing for our water spender plants and our non-native plants.